11th International Yoga Day we have conducted in Visakhapatnam. One of the best yoga international day. This year we are conducting from Amaravati. You are watching. Now in a big way 2026 Yoga International Day we are conducting. I want to take yoga to every home. That is our mission. We are working in that direction. Every year we will celebrate, we will showcase it.
Why the future city Amaravati, sir? It's the very designation. It's very traditionally connected, and now Swamiji is here participating in all yoga events, sir. What message you would like to give to all countrymen to come to Amaravati, sir?
God has given me one more opportunity. I have constructed Cyberabad. You have seen. Today, highest per capita income is Telangana. Most livable city is Hyderabad. That is brownfield city. This is greenfield city.
Yes.
It will be Hyderabad plus. Country will proud of it. It will be most livable city, happiest city, spiritual city, wealthiest city, and also globally it will be showcasing one of the best futuristic city. No pollution, no diesel, petrol, all these things.